Welcome back. Today we'll discuss about the functional analysis theory of Robert K. Merton. Robert K. Merton, all of you know that, is an American sociologist and one of the champion of modern sociology. Functionalism came as an alternative to Marxian theory in sociology. So Marxist theory is criticized for its economic deterministic approach, but at the same time, functional theory evolved into a new kind of deterministic approach. When Marxian theory talks about the inevitability of conflict, functionalism glorifies functional integration, and thus the old determinism is replaced by a new determinism. So, in this context, it is very important to analyze the functional theory given by Robert K. Merton. Merton makes an attempt to liberate sociology from the bondage of this determinism. So Merton's functional analysis theory is a criticism to Brown's and Malinowski's functionalism. Merton argues that Brown and Malinowski studied their functional theory in primitive society, and it is difficult to apply these theories in modern society. Merton explained three assumptions or postulate which is given by both Brown and Malinowski, and said that if the theory of functionalism is to be applied to the study of modern society, then it is necessary to avoid these three postulate or assumptions, which is actually given by Malinowski and Brown. Now let's take up the first assumption, which is given by Brown and which is called functional unity, in which Brown argues that all parts of society are integrated and harmonious, which means that functions of any parts of society is contributing to the integration and harmony of the whole society, because society is an integrated whole. But Merton says that while primitive society is well integrated, modern society is not so well integrated. Hence, the parts of modern society may contribute to the integration of only one section of society. In this way, the part is functional for that section of modern society, but at the same time, the part may not contribute to the integration of other section of modern society, and sometimes may contribute into conflict in modern society. In other words, a parts of society may be functional for one section of the society and may be dysfunctional for another section of modern society. So in this, Merton is also given the concept of function and dysfunction. So Merton says that parts of society is applicable only for one section of modern society, and it may not be applicable in another section of modern society, and sometimes it lead to dysfunction in modern society. So Merton given the example of religion in primitive and modern society for explaining function and dysfunction. In primitive society, religion always has the function which is contributing to the integration and harmony because they have a single religion. But in modern society, having number of religion or number of interpretations of a single religion, and therefore religion does not contribute to the integration and harmony for the whole modern society, but only to the integration and harmony of one section of modern society, which means that religion in modern society is functional for one section of society and it is dysfunctional for another section of society. Now the second and third postulate or assumptions are given by Malinowski. The second postulate is known as universal functionalism, in which Malinowski argues that all parts of societies are having positive functions, which is contributing to the maintenance of whole society. But Merton argues that it cannot be applicable to modern society, which is very complex in nature, and in modern society have parts which do not have a positive functions in such a sense. Merton says that modern society there are parts which do not have any functions and some parts which may have negative functions. So Merton tried to bring two possibilities in modern society. One is that modern society which do not have any parts. At the same time, in modern society there are parts which may have negative functions. Merton elaborate this that the parts which do not have any functions are those which may have had functions in the past, but this function may be lost over a long period of time in their history of their societies. So may have no functions at the present. This is one possibility. Another possibility that Merton says that in modern society, some parts may have negative functions because it does not fulfill the need of modern society and may produce conflict in modern society. Merton says that such parts are dysfunctional for modern society and that will lead to social change in modern society. Now, the third postulate, which is also given by Malinowski, and it is known as functional indispensability, in which Malinowski argues that parts of society are indispensable because they have positive functions. But Merton says that this assumption is also not applicable to modern society because there is a possibility of social change in modern society. So it is difficult to assume that parts of society are indispensable because they have positive functions. Merton says that in modern society, parts of society are not indispensable because he gave the concept of functional alternative, functional equivalence, and functional substitute in modern society. Merton again given the example of religion, that some sociologist does not have the opinion that religion is indispensable and there is a substitute for religion in modern society like Marxism. So here in his functional analysis theory, Merton rejects the assumptions of Malinowski and Brown, that is functional unity, universal functionalism, and functional indispensability. And he also gave the concept of function and dysfunction, that is some part of society is functional. At the same time, there is a possibility of dysfunction in society. Merton also said that there is a possibility of functional alternative in modern society.